When people think about the Jeep Cherokee, the first things that come to mind are rugged looks, a powerful road presence, and the legendary Jeep badge. It's a car that looks ready for adventure, whether you're driving through city streets or dreaming about off-road weekends. On paper, the Jeep Cherokee also seems reasonable. The mileage figures look acceptable for an SUV. The features list looks modern. And the purchase price, especially in the used market, can feel like a great deal. But here's the question most buyers never ask. What does the Jeep Cherokee really cost you after years of ownership? Because the truth is, the real cost of a car isn't decided on day one. It's decided slowly, over time, through fuel bills, maintenance, repairs, parts availability, resale value, and unexpected expenses that don't show up in showroom brochures. Many Jeep Cherokee owners only realize this after owning the vehicle for a few years. At that point, the excitement of buying a Jeep fades, and reality starts to kick in. This video is not about hating the Jeep Cherokee. It's about understanding it honestly. If you're planning to buy a Jeep Cherokee, or already own one, this video will help you understand why good mileage doesn't always mean low cost, how maintenance quietly adds up over time, why parts and repairs can surprise owners, and how resale value plays a bigger role than most people think. So before you make a long-term decision based only on looks or brand image, stay with me till the end. Because the hidden long-term cost of the Jeep Cherokee might change the way you see this SUV forever. Let's start with the most common selling point, mileage. On paper, the Jeep Cherokee appears to deliver reasonable fuel efficiency for its size. Many buyers assume that because the mileage numbers don't look terrible, the running cost will stay under control. But real-world driving tells a different story. The Jeep Cherokee is a heavy vehicle. Its weight, combined with a powerful engine and all-wheel or four-wheel drive systems, means it often consumes more fuel than expected, especially in city traffic. In stop-and-go driving, fuel consumption increases sharply. Air conditioning, short trips, traffic jams, and aggressive acceleration all push fuel usage higher than advertised numbers. Another issue is driving style. The Jeep Cherokee encourages confident driving. That strong throttle response and solid road grip often make drivers push the vehicle more, which again increases fuel consumption. Then there's fuel quality. In many regions, especially where fuel standards vary, the Cherokee's engine may not perform efficiently on lower quality fuel. This can lead to reduced mileage, engine knocking issues, long-term wear on engine components. Over years of ownership, even a small difference in fuel efficiency can mean thousands more spent on fuel compared to lighter, simpler SUVs or crossovers. So while the mileage may look good enough, on paper, the daily running reality quietly increases your expenses month after month, without you even noticing it first. Fuel alone may not break your budget immediately, but combined with other costs, it becomes a major part of the Jeep Cherokee's long-term expense story. Now let's talk about the biggest surprise for most Jeep Cherokee owners, maintenance and repairs. The Jeep Cherokee is not a simple vehicle. It comes with advanced electronics, complex transmission systems, and sophisticated drivetrain components. While these features improve driving experience, they also increase maintenance complexity. Routine servicing is already more expensive compared to many mainstream SUVs. Oil changes, filters, and fluids often cost more due to higher grade oils, specialized parts, fewer experienced mechanics in some regions. As the vehicle ages, repair costs start to rise. Common long-term ownership complaints often include transmission-related issues, suspension wear due to vehicle weight, sensor and electronics failures, higher labor costs due to complexity. Another major factor is spare parts availability. Jeep parts are often imported in many markets. This leads to higher part prices, longer waiting times, limited aftermarket alternatives. Even small components can become expensive if they are not locally available. And when repairs take longer, the hidden cost isn't just money, it's also time and inconvenience. Many owners also discover that not every workshop is comfortable working on Jeep vehicles. This limits repair options and often pushes owners toward authorized or specialized service centers, which usually charge premium rates. Over 5 to 7 years, these maintenance and repair costs add up quietly but aggressively. What felt like a strong premium SUV at the beginning slowly becomes a vehicle that demands more attention and more money to keep running smoothly. Finally, let's talk about the cost most buyers completely ignore: resale value. When you buy a Jeep Cherokee, depreciation starts working against you from day one. While the brand has a strong image, the resale market tells a different story. Compared to some competitors, the Jeep Cherokee often loses value faster, has a smaller pool of buyers, faces trust issues due to maintenance reputation. Many second-hand buyers worry about repair costs, parts availability, and long-term reliability. This reduces demand, and when demand goes down, resale prices follow. So even if you manage fuel and maintenance carefully, the money you lose at resale becomes a hidden final expense. Now let's be clear. The Jeep Cherokee is not a bad car. It offers strong road presence, comfortable driving experience, solid performance, a unique brand identity, but it is not a cheap long-term vehicle. If you value driving feel, design, and brand heritage, and you're financially prepared, the Jeep Cherokee can still make sense. However, if your priority is low long-term cost, minimal maintenance stress, and strong resale value, then the hidden costs of the Jeep Cherokee deserve serious consideration. The smartest car decision isn't about what looks good today. It's about what stays affordable tomorrow.